Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to fix Autopilot.dll WIL error was reported in Windows 10, HRESULT 0x80070491. To fix it, click on the Start menu. Type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. Now find a service, which name is Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant. Double-click on it. Click on this drop-down menu and select Disable. Click on Apply and OK. Now restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.